Most people still think SEO is just about ranking on Google, but that's not the full picture anymore. Search is changing fast, and AI tools are now part of how people discover information. That's where Semrush One from Semrush comes in. It's their flagship search solutions that combines traditional SEO with AI search visibility in one connected system. So instead of switching between different tools, everything is in one workflow. On the SEO side, you get the full SEO toolkit where you can do keyword research, track ranking, audit your website, and even analyze competitors to see what's actually working in your niche. But what makes this different is the AI visibility toolkit. This shows you how your brand appears not just on Google but also inside AI systems like Google AI Overview, ChatGPT, Gemini, and more. Basically, where people are now starting to search and get answers. So it's not just about ranking on search engine anymore, it's about understanding your visibility everywhere your audience is actually looking. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can use SEMrush to improve your website presence and optimize your website. Okay, the link of Semrush One will be in my video description. Once you click on the link, you just need to create an account and this will be your home page. Okay, so this is my home page, and what you will do here, you will go to SEO over here, click on SEO like this, and here you need to put your website link or your domain. Okay, it's super easy and simple. As an example, I'm taking this website, guys. This is, for example, my website here. I will use this website to show you. I will copy the link of my website and just go back to Semrush, okay, over here, and I will put the link of my website here and click on create SEO project. Okay, once you click on create SEO project, you will be directly in this page here, and this will be your SEO dashboard for your website. Okay, and you can see here that you have access to a lot of data that you need to use to improve your website. Okay, so pay close attention please. So you can see here that Semrush immediately builds a complete SEO dashboard for your specific site. This is super helpful for website owners because it clearly shows you overall authority score, exactly how much organic traffic you are pulling in, and what organic keyword people are searching to find you. Okay, it even has a really cool AI search feature that tracks if your website is being mentioned or cited by AI bots like ChatGPT and Gemini. Beyond just looking at a traffic, it acts like a doctor for your website by running a site audit, okay, to give you a site healthy score, highlighting any errors or warnings hiding in your page that you need to fix. Okay, finally, it gives you guys a checklist of tools to set up, like on page SEO checker and backlink audit, to help collect content ideas and improve your website ranking. Now let's talk more about the site audit. Okay, so let me show you guys. If you click here on site audit like this, you will be in this page here. So you just need to put here again your website link and click on start SEO audit. Okay, and this tool inside Semrush is honestly like taking your website to the doctor for a complete full body checkup. Okay, even if your website looks absolutely beautiful on the outside to your visitors, there could be 1,000 of hidden technical problems behind the scene that are destroying your Google ranking and blocking your traffic. The best part is how incredibly simple it is to use. All you have to do is to drop your website link, as you guys can see here, into the search bar and click start SEO audit and let the software do all the hard work for you. Within a minute, it automatically scans your entire website, checking for more than 140 different technical SEO factors. It will immediately catch sneaky errors that you could probably never notice on your own, like broken links that frustrated your audience, missing meta tags, or messy code that confuse search engines. Instead of just guessing why your site isn't growing, this audit hands you a simple step-by-step checklist. You just fix those invisible errors it finds and watch your website performance and traffic shoot right back up. Okay, the reason tools like Semrush One matter is because the way people search online has completely changed. It's no longer just about trying to rank on Google and hoping people find you. Now people are also getting answers directly from AI tools, and if your brand isn't showing up in those places, you are basically invisible to big parts of your audience. What Semrush One does is bring everything together so you can understand both side traditional SEO and AI search in one place. That makes it much easy to see what's working, what's not, and where you need to improve. Instead of guessing, you actually get a clear data that helps you make better decisions and grow faster. That's why, for anyone serious about building traffic, growing a brand, or making money online, having something like this in your toolkit is very important. The link of Semrush One will be in my video description. Go guys, click on the link and start improving your website. Okay, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.